Vivi, are those bothering you? You're leaving Mommy a pile on the floor.
She's just talking away. Oh no. You silly girl. Oops. You caught yourself. Yeah, you did. You caught yourself. Yeah, that's where it goes. There's a nice little pile on the floor there that you've been putting them in very carefully.
Are you messing up all Grandma's hard work?
She shouldn't have.
Is that fun? You don't like that tank top?
Well, that's not one that goes with that little skirt that I got her.
See, we're lowering the mattress today, huh? Since you can stand up. Yeah. You made yourself stand up. Mommy's got to lower your bed so you can't fall out.